YouTube? I'm back. I'm Swan Vapes. And what the fuck? Alright. Getting a little ahead of myself. Full review. 36mm Obese Buddha. Happening right now. As we speak. Yeah. Not this. That's still the Armageddon. I did a review on a couple weeks ago. And yeah, anyways, 36mm Obese Buddha. This is fucking nuts. Alright. This bitch right here. Fucking insane. Look at that. Look. 24mm, 36mm. My god. It's fucking nuts. Alright. So, story. Buddy's letting me borrow it. He wants me to build on it for him. And I wanted to review it. So, kind of works out. So I've had it for a few days. Haven't seen any problems with it. It's never given me problems. No contact issues. Immaculate building room. There's just too much building room. There's so much you can do with this. You can do fucking stacked coils. You can do chimney coils. You can do fucking ridiculous amount of coil space. Alright. Right now I got a little sissy build on it just so I could use it the past few days and actually put together an actual review on it, and I have zero issues. Right now I'm just running 24 gauge Canthal quad coil, angled a little bit just for looks, honestly. 11 wraps. It ohms out at 0.3, like 0.29. Everyone's told me not to go below 0.2 on this, but I kind of want to do that. I kind of want to go below. I want to drop it down to like a 0.15, maybe. I'll try. Takes 4 18650s. It's on the Hammer of God Hog Mod V3. The mod takes 4 18650s, and actually, there's a reason I messed up there. Alright, so initially I was gonna do a review on the entire mod, but I decided after using it for a day or so that I'm gonna order one and do a review on that one, but I don't think I'm gonna get the Obese Buddha, so that's this review. This is the Obese Buddha. Come back later for the Hammer of God. Alright, I'm just taking batteries out of the case there so I can, show you what it does on full charge. I haven't used it once today. It's been basically charging, and the batteries have been charging and in the fucking case. Takes series parallel. I don't know if you can see the plus and negative side, but it's exactly what that means. They want the positive side right there, negative terminals there. Okay. And then you got the base plate right there. It's a little tricky. I've kind of got it down to a science, but you just got to play with it and, get that spot where you're comfortable. And, yeah. I kind of spilled juice. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna vape it a couple times just because I want to hit something, and then we'll talk about it. Pros and cons. You know, the usual. I'll talk to you guys. Freshly charged batteries, freshly juiced. That's fucking nuts. Look at that shit. Covered up my face. Y'all couldn't even see me. I went ghost. Fuck are y'all talking about? I wasn't even here. And I don't know. I don't know if it's, the RDA or the coils, but, I've noticed that it doesn't really dry out that fast. I can get a few good hits in off of it. So, honestly, if you're on my Instagram, you've seen what it does. It fucking chucks like a champ. By far the hardest hitting mod I've ever fucking used. Anyways, back to the RDA. Okay. I think it's like a 13 millimeter wide bore drip tip. 13 fucking millimeter tip. Right? The thing that really has me fucking wanting this RDA is the airflow. I've never seen an RDA with so much airflow. Has 42 2mm air holes, 24 on each side. It is not designed for, just like a single, like a bias coil setup. You definitely want to have a coil on both sides. That's what it's designed for. 510 threading. This one is authentic. Grab my little paper towel. And let's take a look at the bottom. I keep wanting to talk about the mod, but I don't know, I just feel like the RDA, like just talking about the RDA right now isn't enough. But, whatever. I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do. So it's by Vapor's Cloud. It's the first one of their products I've ever used, and it's getting definitely like a 15 out of 10 on my scale. That's my scale. None of y'all can use it. All right, serial number 2134. Nice stainless steel, copper plated contact. And that kind of contact is really nice. I like it. The fact that you can screw it out and kind of extend it a little bit. But on a regular mechanical mod, you shouldn't really need to. It's 3 bridge clamps. Not entirely sure on how much wire space in between each clamp. I want to say something like 14, maybe 15 millimeters. But, yeah. Honestly, I like it, it's fucking like 60, 70 bucks online, but go out there and buy one. It's worth it. Get it on, a big mod, like a fucking, if you want to use regulated, get like a RX 300 or I'm getting a Hammer of God. It's what I fucking wanted on. It's exactly what I wanted on. Y'all be seeing a review on the Hammer of God soon, I promise. Whether I gotta fucking buy it off of somebody used, I don't care. I'm doing a review on the Hammer of God, and that's that. But I'm doing it on my Hammer of God, because my Hammer of God is gonna be badass. It's gonna be better than everybody else's, because it's mine. And, probably, maybe, I'm gonna see if I can find a Mason 40mm RDA to put on it. But anyways, I can't really think of anything else to say. I have nothing bad to say about this RDA at all. Had it for a few days. I love it. By far one of my favorite RDAs. The only, you can't even really consider it a bad thing because it's subjective. It's huge. I want an RDA that performs that well on something that I can carry around without fucking lugging a brick. That's it. I mean, that's why I carry this fucker around. It's small. It fits in my fucking pocket. And it still chucks. Yeah. That's it. So, like I said, review on Hammer of God is coming soon. I'm just going to wait to get my own because I want to do it on my own. Authentic Obese Buddha 36mm tank, 10mm juice well. Let's go ahead and say at least 14mm of wire space. 33mm of build room. Yeah. That's about it.